What up, D Blicky? Joining right away. Good morning, good morning. Dylan! What up, Dylan? Shit, how you been? I didn't even know you were still in here. I thought you left. I haven't been live for a bit, though. Yes, sir. I don't blame you, dude. I don't blame you. I've been getting wrecked this month so far. It's good to see you, though, dude. I hope everything's well. I appreciate it. Wish you the best, too, bro. Bias for today. We came down yesterday. I wanted to target this daily low, but we ended up taking it out today. I want to see if we're going to react higher off of that because we are filling this weekly gap on both ES and NQ. So I want to see if we're going to start continuing higher off that, or if we're going to want to come into equilibrium of this range. This is the black line right here on both indexes. See if we want to fill in this weekly gap more. But we did sweep out that daily low finally on NQ, so I want to see if we can maybe get some move higher. We'll see this daily low. So I don't really have a bias right now. I want to see what the market wants to do. She's been a little shit lately, to be honest. But we got this big ass hourly gap above coming into market rip, so we'll see what happens. See if we sweep that daily low and come take all these draws above. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm just gonna pretty much flow with the market, see what happens. What about you? What are you thinking? Yeah, I'm with you on that one. We'll see. Yesterday we just chopped, dude. I wanted to target these daily lows yesterday, but we ended up just coming down and consolidating within this range. Just literally this 372 point range. I feel like we didn't do much. There's moves could have hit yesterday, but my ass didn't catch shit after this. It literally didn't do anything. What up, J. Cole? But we'll see. We'll see. Dylan, I started trading gold too again. I've been doing better in gold than NQ and ES right now. I'm working on getting funded right now with FTMO. Yeah, no, gold's... I used to trade gold before NQ and ES. That's originally when I used to trade Forex, but I feel like with like the way we trade with like smart money concepts, gold kind of moves a little bit cleaner instead of all these fake outs and stuff you get on NQ. You should check it out. I mean, it's different. Yeah, FTMO is dope, dude. I passed phase 1, so I had to make 10% on a 100K account. Now I'm on phase 2. I'm up 2.6%. I got to make 5% to pass, and then it's 10K static drawdown, dude. And it's just 5 days. You just need 5 trading days, and you can request a payout. Doesn't matter how much. So if you make like $1,000 in 5 trading days, you can request it, and you still have a $10,000 static buffer. It's no trailing drawdown, no consistency rule, nothing. Yeah, dude, but those accounts are expensive. It was like a $650 account, but that's why I'm taking my time with it. But I've been documenting it on my YouTube and my Instagram if you ever see it. You still living in Florida or no? Nah, I'm back in Jersey. I gotta come visit Jersey. I haven't been there in like 8 years, dog. J. Cole is sick. Yeah, that's why I moved out of there, dog. Once college hit, I was out. Alright, market open. Let's see what this does today. I wonder if we're just going to fill this hourly gap and continue lower. Alright, I'm just going to put some headphones in, guys. I'm probably not going to talk much today. I'm just going to chill and see what we get. See if we can get something. Dylan, look at my... I've been getting fucking railed. I'm on a 4-trade losing streak again, dog. Look at this shit. I'm down 5K right now. I've built more funding though since we last talked. I got 30 accounts now, but I'm still slowly building them. I think last time I saw you, I had like 12 or some shit at the car meet thing. Trying, brother. Still haven't gotten a payout yet, but they're still. I'm building the accounts. We're up 25 or 20,000 on the year. I was up 30,000 if you look at the equity curve, and 2 groups were close to getting past the buffer, but I alternate through groups right now, group of 10, group of 10, to group of 10. I don't trade all of them at once. It's been helping with the psychology a little bit. You know how that is. Shit ain't easy. Sounds good, brother. I appreciate you joining. Best of luck, alright? I'll see you around. See, Blicky, it's just you and me. I haven't seen him in a while. You? I think you know Dylan also, right? I didn't even know he was still in his Discord, to be honest with you. Alright, D Blicky, let's get to work. Well, everybody's not here. We're gonna make money. I did. It's because of that meeting last night or yesterday that Trump had at 2:30. He was talking about, I don't know, all that shit with crypto and whatever. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Tito, stop. Are we really just about to pump straight through this gap? It's looking like it. Trump was talking about hyperliquid too, right? Yesterday in that meeting. I think that made it jump up a lot too. I had one of my friends like ask me a question about that. He's like, "How do you find out all this information?" I'm like, "Dude, just go on, literally click Twitter." It's probably different for us because that's literally all our For You page probably is, but just gotta go on Twitter. Everything's there. And then TikTok, it's just, you have people posting everything about it. We might just go straight through this hourly gap because we did take out that daily low and we are still in this weekly fair value gap. Is today the day we... We do have a daily gap above. Maybe we want to come take out all these draws above. That could be a possibility. I'm going to look at the 5 minute right now, dude. 15 minute... Let's look at the 15 minute. Can we get a break of structure on the 15 minute? Yeah, we can. It's 7 minutes till this candle closure. Let's see what happens. And let's see if we can get a retracement into like a 5 minute gap or something like that. And then target these draws above. We'll see what happens here. I don't know what we would take already off of here. We usually don't scale down to the 1 minute right there. And what, are we just going to take a fair value gap fill? On a 1 minute. This might be a problem, dude. I'm not having the best stomach problems this morning. And now I'm drinking coffee. And I might have to pick up my PC setup and bring it into the toilet. This isn't good. Like, you know when you gotta go to the bathroom so bad, dude? Like, you get nauseous? That's where I'm at right now. It's like that stomach pain that goes away and then it comes back even worse the more you hold it. But then you try and shit, you can't shit. Yeah, it's that. Tito, shut your ass up. Stop. How do we come down and take out that daily low? And we were really targeting that yesterday. And we do it today before even market rip? It doesn't make any sense. Some stupid shit. Oh my god, and then we're just gonna pump. Alright, let's see this here. We're gonna get this 5 minute candle closure. All right, we can mark out on NASDAQ this 5-minute candle's wick to this 5-minute candle's body. There's a volume imbalance right there. So I'm going to mark it out from here. Let's see if we can get a tap in. ES doesn't have it. Oh, shit. Where's this 5-minute high? Alright, we got to pay attention to this too. See what happens here. Broke back to the downside, inverse fair value gap. So I gotta wait for at least a break back to the upside. See what happens here though, because we did take out this 5-minute high on NASDAQ. ES didn't. Form a 5-minute S&T here. Fake people to the upside. $100-point stop, you joking? Dog. Tradeify keeps glitching out for me. It's weird. Is it glitching out for you, D Blicky, or no? That's weird. That's weird. Fucker, dude. Five-minute candle closure, no 5-minute SMT. I'm gonna pay attention to this right here. NASDAQ still didn't break structure to the upside. I think we have a 1-minute SMT high and a higher high, high and a lower high, formed a 1-minute SMT. You know what I want to do? Let's take out the 15-minute right now. Pretty sure we're at equilibrium of this range. Let's take out the fib real quick. Yep. Take out the fib. 62% extension gets hit. What do we have below? Take out this daily low. Got a 15-minute low. Got a 15-minute low. Same thing over here on ES. 15-minute low. Minute low. Might want to dump here. Let's see. Staying patient with this shit. Tapping into a 15-minute order block right now on NASDAQ. When's this 5-minute candle close? In 25 seconds? Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. 5-minute SMT formed from this high. ES is the leading index to the downside also. We're in an hourly gap. We're reacting off of the fib. ES is still showing me she wants to continue higher, in my opinion. NASDAQ looks like she wants to continue lower. Yeah. I'm staying patient here right now. Broke back to the downside. Right here, equilibrium of this range. Wonder what entry would be here. Stop above this high or this high. First take profit, final take profit. Could be an option, but ES is lagging behind this, and I feel like NASDAQ's gonna sweep this low. We're gonna form an SMT to the upside and continue higher. We're in a 15-minute order block. Currently dumping. Ugh. Dude, this is tricky. My gut and my intuition is telling me that we're not going to go lower and we're going to continue higher. But I also want to pull trigger on this. Not that candle closure, I ain't. Not that candle closure, I ain't. How's that 5-minute candle looking? No 5-minute S&T. Yeah, I'm sitting right now too. I feel like there's trying to be some trickery right here. Trying to be some trickery right here or something. Oh, 10 a.m. candle closure. Let's look. I'm going to scale out for a second. 10 a.m. candle closure. Hourly low. Hourly low. 15-minute high. So am I, brother. So am I. Like, this is wow. This is wow. That's all I gotta say. This is wow. This is wow. This would be first take profit, break even. See if she wants to come out there without us. It's probably gonna. I don't want to chase it right now, dog. Might just dump to these lows, dude. Nah, wait a second. Look at this, D-Blicky. Look at this. Got another 15-minute bullish that formed. Didn't inverse it? What? Oh. Didn't break structure, didn't inverse it. NASDAQ broke structure. What up, J. Cole? Not yet, no. My testicles are telling me long because all this low resistance right here. I feel like we're going to come take all this out, but I could be wrong. Seven micros? What is that? 7 times 5 times 5? 175 if I went in with 5. This is bananas. This is bananas. This is bananas.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
See if I get skunked here. See if I get skunked here. 5-minute SMT form too. Come on, ES. You need to push higher. I might get skunked here, guys. Come on, buyers, step in. Shit. Nah, I might get cooked. Damn. Damn. NASDAQ's just pumping. And it's the lagging index. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna get skunked again, guys. Damn. I pulled the trigger quick on that too. Smoked. 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 She's gonna dump right through it, watch. Smoked. Oh, no. Damn, dog. Equal lows. Yeah. I'm getting cooked here, guys.
Stop filled.
Ah, fuck me. Still in on my fucking Tradeify accounts, which is crazy.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why did it say order filled? Fuck. Big loss for me today, guys. Damn. Yeah, I don't know, J. Cole. I don't. I'm getting fucked, dude. That's a $4,000 loss day for me. I'm pretty sure. Damn, bro. Fucked and murdered. Ay, ay, ay. And then this gay shit will happen. Retarded dog. Come on, man. Like, really? We'd be back in profit right now. Motherfucker. This is crazy. What up? What up? trade today, Ashton, or no? Tell me you got a dub at least. I just got banged. Yeah, so did I. Yes, sir. There you go. At least someone's winning in this Discord. I'm getting my ass handed to me. I literally just get stopped out by a couple points. I took a trade on ES. I took this entry here, and I have my stop below this low. Would have been TP partial, and then I wanted to run all the way to that hourly high. I put it in the wins and losses section of the daily results. This price action is just ass again, dog. I'm not gonna blame it, but look at this. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Chop suey. Good talk. Ay, what are we doing here, guys? doing nothing right now, guys. I know I pulled the trigger on that quick, but I really thought that was gonna play, dude. We formed a 5-minute SMT right off that candle closure. 5-minute SMT. NASDAQ formed a low and a lower low. ES formed a low and a higher low. We were in a 15-minute bullish gap on both indexes. Bunch of low resistance draws above. Oh, 1-minute inverse break of structure. And then instant dump. Painful. Painful. At least this 15-minute high, right? Peace out, J. Cole. We'd literally be at break even right now. Back to me and you, D Blicky. Back to me and you. Sorry I'm being quiet. I was journaling a little bit, but it's just ass, dog. And I lost a little bit more than I wanted to. I lost 282 per account. My risk is usually 200 to 250, but I lost 282 on the one. But my Tradeify accounts are back to break even. And my top 1 futures accounts are in drawdown now, $200. So I posted it in the daily results chat. But fuck, dude, I'm telling you, this is probably gonna get hit too. And it's gonna happen quickly when it does. But like, what? This is painful. This is painful. 7.7K. Wow. Wow. And I got a shit. Wow. All right, guys, I took another loss. I'm getting completely and utterly. This is my worst month. Look at this. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, D Blicky, look at this shit, man. Like, come on, dog. We got stopped out by like 2 points, dude. This is the hard part that nobody will show, but I'll do it right in front of everybody. I don't give a shit. Fucking can't say shit after that. Alright, guys, I took another loss, and this might hit first take profit, which is annoying. Which is really annoying. We got stopped out by a couple points, as you can freaking see. First take profit was above these highs, and I was going to let it run to that hourly high, but I am getting... Hold on. Let me go to my dashboard. Okay, hold on. This is my left hand. Let me go to my dashboard. I can't do this with my left hand. Oh my god. Redo this fucking video. It's pissing me off. It's pissing me off. Alright, guys. I took another loss. If this hits TP1 and then runs TP2, I'm gonna be pissed. I already am pissed, but look at this. Look at this. I had my take profit above these highs. I would have taken 3 contracts off. I went in 5 contracts. Lost a little bit more than I wanted to. But guys, I'm getting gangbanged. Yeah. Alright, guys, I took another loss. If this hits TP1 and runs TP2, it's already in this, but look at this. Look at this. I had my take profit of these highs. I would have taken 3 contracts off. I went in 5 contracts, lost a little bit more. Guys, I'm getting gangbanged. Alright guys, I took another loss. If this hits TP1 and runs TP2, I'm gonna be pissed. It already is this, but look at this. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one to build out of, huh? Oh my god. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll get it done. I would have taken 3 contracts off here, and then I would have let the last 2 run. That would have been my break-even level also. D Blicky, look at this shit. Just look at this shit. Look where we got stopped out. If this runs. Not gonna crash out. I'm not gonna fucking take another trade. We're gonna watch this, and we're gonna get tortured, and I'm gonna journal tonight, and I'm gonna come back stronger, right? That's the plan. As much as I want to run through a wall, this is where we survive, and others fucking blow accounts. I still have $1,500 of room on this account. And then I have $1,500 in my other group from yesterday. Yeah, dude, this is crazy. I would have taken 3 micros off here too, dude. Is that one in 5? So that would have been 11 points. Let's see. 11 times 5 times 5. That would have been 275 per account secured. And then this would be runners. Motherfucker. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube still too. Most people would hide this. We ain't hiding shit. I'm posting the reality of trading, not this fake guru shit. Watch, D Blakey, this is, if it doesn't hit before 11, it's going to hit at 11. Or it's going to start continuing to the upside around 11. Oh, this is brutal. This is brutal. Alright guys, I took another loss. If this hits... This is brutal. Alright, D Blakey, my fiance is about to take one of the dogs to the vet to get his stitches removed, so I'm gonna cut the stream here. I'm not gonna take any more trades. But the dogs are gonna start freaking out and shit, and I don't want that to be annoying to you because you're probably trading. But you know where my take profits and shit were. So. Oh, well, hold on, let's see. Oh my God.
Dude, I would be reduced risk to like this low. Oh my god. All right, D Blakey, I'm gonna hop off before I do something stupid. All right. Appreciate it, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate you joining.